So before sending an invoice, you need to add your product that you want to sell or offer to the customers or clients, and also a customer's email that will be used as an address to send the invoices. So first, click on the product catalog at the left side of the screen to see the products. You may choose any product to be sent with invoice, or you can also add your first product if you don't have any available product yet by tapping on the Create Product button over here. Then you may start to add the product name and also a short description explaining about the product. You may also add the image by tapping on this Upload button. At the pricing, you may choose either the payment will be a recurring or a one-off payment. If you choose on recurring, then people will have to pay like weekly, monthly, daily to get your products. You may also choose one-off if you want the products you have to be paid by one time only. And you may then set the price of your products and customize the currency with it. So you can use US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, British pound sterling, Canadian dollar, and so on. Then on the billing period, if you choose on recurring payments before, you will have to set up the certain range of time for your customers to pay for your product. Either you want the recurring payment to occur every week, every month, every year, or just customize it as you like. For example, if I choose on daily, then Stripe will help me to automatically sending a billing or invoices to my customer every day. But if you choose one-off payment, you don't need to customize this. You may also customize to more pricing option if you like, or adjust the amount of your unit quantity and hit the Add Product button over here after you are satisfied with everything. After adding the product, we need to add our customer's email, so click on the customer's option at top left of the screen to go to your customer list. Here I have one example of my customer, and if you don't have any, you can just tap on the Add Customers button over here. At the account information, you may add your customer's name or nicknames, and also their email. After that, click on Add Customer button at the bottom. And now it's time to create and send the invoice. So click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. Then choose Invoices option. At the customer, you might directly choose the one that you just listed before. You can also change the currency if you like. Then on item, you want to click on this blank section and choosing the product that you just listed before again. Then click on Save button, or you may add another product at the same invoice if your customer purchased more than one from your products by tapping on the Save and Add Another button. After that, you may select a coupon to use and also collect tax automatically. At the payment collection, you may choose to request a payment to create an invoice. And also, you get to decide when is the last date your customer can pay your invoices, starting from the time the invoices was sent to them. Whether you only give them a day, so the last date is tomorrow, a week, a month, so on and so forth. And after you are done, hit the Manage Payment Methods option over here and choose on which payment method your customers will use. For example, I will only allow the credit card and also the debit card and bank transfer too, as I am sure those are the 2 or 3 most common payment methods for my customer, while also making the payment option not too much on my payment page. Then hit the Save button right here. Last but not least, you may also use your template on these invoices or adding manually some memo or footer or the invoices. At the preview, you may preview the invoice in PDF, your email invoices to them, and also the payment page when the customers decide to pay their bills. After you are good with everything, click on Review Invoice at the top right of the screen. Over here, you may finalize and send the invoices or just finalize. You will also be able to add CC for the emails and schedule the date of the invoices, and then click on this finalize and send button. Your invoices was successfully sent, and then more or less these are the email of the invoice that they will see, your customers. They may scroll down and download the invoice over here, and also they may click on pay this invoice button right here to pay for the invoice with their credit card, debit card, or any other payment method that you choose before. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.